Welcome to today's series of what I learned as a chef. Let me tell you something most home cooks don't realize. Dry chicken is not a seasoning problem. It's a heat control problem. In professional kitchens, we don't cook chicken by guessing. We cook it by understanding structure. Here's what's happening. Chicken breast has very little fat. That means it has no protection against high heat. When you blast it with heat straight from the fridge, the outside overcooks before the inside is ready. That's mistake number one. Mistake number two? Overcooking because of fear. Many people cook chicken until it's extra safe. But safe doesn't mean dry. As a chef, here's what we do differently. First, bring the chicken closer to room temperature before cooking. Second, season properly, including salt ahead of time. Third, cook on medium heat, not aggressive high heat. And most importantly, rest the chicken after cooking. Resting allows the juices to redistribute. If you cut it immediately, all that moisture runs out onto your board. And then you say the chicken is dry. It's not the chicken dot, it's the technique. Cooking smarter means understanding what's happening inside the meat, not just following a recipe. If you want, I can break this down step by step in a full masterclass where I show timing, temperature, and chef-level control. Like and follow for the next lesson. Share this with someone who loves cooking. This series continues tomorrow. Cooking Smarter with Chef Nissi.